Hello my dear children, once again welcome back to the class. And in the previous class we have finished the question and answers from the lesson number 12, Arun's computer. So today we are going to see the next part, that is the comprehension. Okay, Comprehension. Comprehension. Okay, how to read this, children? Comprehension. Okay, comprehension. 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 So the next one, talk about these words. Okay, so here they have given us 6 words. These words all from the lesson. So we have to talk a few things, or we have to know about these words. Okay, so what is computer, children? The first word is computer. So you all know what is computer. Yes, you all know the definition of computer. So computer is nothing but an electronic device for storing and processing data, isn't it? So nowadays without computer we can't do any work. So it is helpful in all the field. So computer is used in all the field. So the next one comes screen. So you know the screen now, children? You can see a mobile screen or a TV screen or computer screen. Yes. So we can say a definition that a flat panel or area or an electronic device such as a television, computer or smartphone on which images and data are displayed. That is what we call screen, children. Okay. The next one is message. You are all expert nowadays, isn't it? So you know what is message, how to type message, how to send a message. No, you are all expert than elders. Nowadays you are maybe teaching for your parents itself, isn't it? Yes, because now online class started, so you're all using a mobile and you know the messages and also. So messages, you know, so which we are typing and which we are sending, isn't it? Something to tell somebody. That is what we call a message. And the next one, keyboard. So this is a one part of a computer. So it is a panel of a keys that operate a computer or typewriter. So this is a keyboard. The next one comes webcam. You can see here, isn't it? This is a webcam. So what is webcam, children? Yes. So a webcam, a video camera connected to a computer, allowing its images to be seen by internet users. Okay. So it allows images to be seen by those who are using internet. Okay. That is what we call webcam. The next one, reflection. As I said in the previous class, so reflection is nothing but when you will stand in front of a mirror, what you will see, children? The own face, that's own image. That is what we call reflection. Okay, so these are the words. So next we will move to the working with words. This is a next one. Fill in the blanks, choose words from the box. So we have to fill these sentences with the using this help box. Okay, the first one, Arun went dash his room. So which is the right answer, children? Into, under, around, out of and up. So which is the right answer? So Arun went into his room. The next one, he jumped dash and ran to the door. So he jumped up and ran to the door. Next one, third one, noises came dash the computer, out of computer. The next one, he looked dash the room. He looked around the room. The last one, a message appeared dash his message. A message appeared under his message. Now let's write the answers in the given space. So here I wrote the answer, children. Let's read once again the sentence. The first one, Arun went into his room. I-N-T-O, into his room. The second one, he jumped dash and ran to the door. He jumped up and ran to the door. The third one, noises came dash the computer. Noises came out of, O-U-T, out, O-F, off, out of the computer. Next, fourth one, he looked dash the room. He looked around, A-R-O-U-N-D, around the room. He looked around the room. The last one, a message appeared dash his message. A message appeared under, U-N-D-E-R, under his message. Okay, so here we have completed working with words, that is fill in the blanks. So today I am going to end my today's class, children. So your homework is, you have to write this fill in the blanks in your classwork book neatly one time. That is your today's homework. Only few are there, children, that is only 5 fill in the blanks. So read and write neatly in your classwork book. So see you in the next class, children. Take care and thank you. Bye bye.